He's right there.
That's one determined squirrel, eh?
Yeah. I've not, dude. This is a scientific discovery right here. I didn't know them bitches could swim. No, but he's gonna chew you up, bud.
Poor guy, eh?
Help him.
He knows what he's doing.
He's done it before.
Yeah. If he starts going under, then we'll grab him.
Yeah. Here, pull back.
Going under, look. Why going under?
Take this. It's okay, buddy. Here, you want to come in?
No!
There you go.
Oh my god! Okay, stay straight.
What do you mean, Mike? You didn't have to freak like that.
Fuck, he wouldn't hurt you.
Alright, buddy. You're on your own. We tried. Yo, we have so much water in here.
Yo, my ass is getting wet.
That was awesome, bud. And you know what? You know what the best part about that is? It's all on film. Yeah, but it's gonna be a YouTube hit for sure.
Swimming squirrel. And then we